Okay, today we're going to talk about finding the percent increase or decrease. Okay, and with these types of problems, the first thing you have to do is be able to identify what's the original number and what's the change. Okay, and once we know that, we're going to be able to use a formula, and that's change over original. Okay, so this says Mr. Hunter had 25 students. Okay, now he only has 20. What's the percent decrease? Okay, well, my first step is I need to find the difference in the two numbers. Okay, and the difference between those two, I would just subtract 25 minus 20, okay, which is 5. So in my problem, my original, I'm starting with 25. Okay, and then my change is now 20. Okay, and the difference between those two numbers is 5. Okay, now I know the difference. I'm going to divide the difference by the original number. Okay, and that's my change over original. So change, which I said is a difference of 5. Original was 25. Okay, so I gotta know what is 5 divided by 25. Okay, if I do long division, my numerator, my top number goes in the box, and 25 goes on the outside. 25 won't go into 5, so I add a decimal, add a 0, bring my decimal to the top. 25 will go into 50, and I'll go 2 times evenly. 2 times 25 is 50. Okay, and that means my answer is 0.2, but I need that as a percent. So one last step, I need to know what's 0.2 as a percent. Okay, and to change a decimal to a percent, I have to move my decimal 2 places to the right and add zeros as needed. So 1, 2. And add a percent sign. So 0.2 is the same thing as 20%. So that means the number of students in Mr. Hunter's class decreased by 20%.